STARPROOF WF-MB-602, Rubberized Elastomeric Waterproof Coating. Description: STARPROOF WF-MB-602 is cold-applied liquid waterproofing membrane, specially designed from a blend of special resin and rubber, reinforced with special water-repelling fillers, minerals stabilizers and gelling agent. Uses: ideal waterproofing system for concrete roofs, polyurethane foam slabs, polyester built-up roofs, maintenance of existing roofs, masonry and concrete walls, bathrooms, basements, bridges, decks, metal surfaces, etc. Used as a sandwich membrane in new construction and as surface treatment on existing slabs. Features: 1. Streetly, STARPROOF WF-MB-602 is a highly elastic product, and cures to a rubber-like membrane capable of withstanding severe cases of expansion, contraction and deck movements. 2. Highly resistant to oxidation, UV light and ozone. 3. More durable than normal asphalt coating and lasts longer than most other coatings. 4. Superior wetting and adhesion properties ensure durable bond. 5. Has the unique property of adapting itself with waterproof and impervious blanket. 6. Saves labor costs. Thank you so much.